Unlock your English skills, learn online for free. Hashtag Learn English, hashtag free resources. Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level without spending a dime? The internet is filled with incredible resources that can help you improve your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills, all for free. 1. Online courses. Websites like Coursera, edX, and FutureLearn offer free English courses from renowned universities. You can learn at your own pace and choose topics that interest you. 2. Language apps. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, and Babbel provide interactive lessons that make learning English fun and engaging. You can practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation on the go. 3. YouTube channels. There are countless YouTube channels dedicated to teaching English. Channels like English with Lucy, BBC Learning English, and Rachel's English offer lessons on various topics, from basic grammar to advanced conversation skills. 4. Podcasts. Listening to English podcasts can enhance your listening skills. Try shows like English Class 101 or The English We Speak to immerse yourself in the language while on the move. 5. Online communities. Join forums and social media groups where you can practice English with other learners. Websites like Reddit or Facebook have dedicated groups for language learners where you can ask questions and share resources. 6. Ebooks and articles. Access free ebooks and articles in English to improve your reading skills. Websites like Project Gutenberg offer a vast collection of literature in the public domain. 7. Language exchange. Websites like Tandem and HelloTalk allow you to connect with native English speakers who want to learn your language. This way, you can practice speaking and writing in a friendly, supportive environment. 8. Grammar and vocabulary websites. Websites such as Grammarly, Purdue OWL, and Vocabulary.com provide excellent resources for improving your grammar and expanding your vocabulary. Remember, consistency is key. Set aside a little time each day to practice, and you'll see significant progress in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to mastering English today with these fantastic free resources. Happy learning!